Hey guys, what's happening? Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Sam. Welcome to the Sam Fam. Before we even jump into today's video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget about your girl. Join the family. Let's get to 6K, okay? Let's do that. Can we do that? Can y'all help me do that? All right, thank you. I appreciate you. While you're at it, turn on your post notification bell. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter. All of the links will be down below for all my social medias. And give this video a thumbs up too. But yeah, as you guys can see from the title, today we are doing a collective haul, I guess you could say. Most of these purchases were from Amazon, but it's going to be a TikTok inspired haul because TikTok made me buy these products. I saw them on TikTok, I got inspired to purchase them, and so here we are. I thought I'd share this with you guys because there's some cool things that I've already tried out that I actually really like, so I wanted to share it with you guys and see if you guys are interested in purchasing them yourself. I don't know, we're just quarantining and chilling, and purchasing things online. That's what we're doing. But anyways, that's enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video.
I've been on the road, on my way to where I gotta go. Ain't got time for no hellos. Some people I eventually outgrow. Yeah.
Okay, so a lot of these purchases are like beauty related. So I'm gonna start with the non-beauty stuff first, I guess. So I mean, I guess TikTok didn't really make me buy these because I've had one metal straw before and I just needed more. So I kept seeing them on TikTok and then I was like, oh yeah, I need to purchase them. So I got this pack of metal straws. It comes with the colorful tips on here. I will link everything in the description box down below. Sorry, I can't speak. It does come with the brush cleaners. It has like 4 of these long they're brush cleaners, but they're for the straws. And then I have some shorter straws that are just plain metal. I have some longer straws that are just plain metal. And then I also have the curved ones as well in different sizes. So there's the longer curved one, and then, here's a shorter curved one. So yeah, we're trying to save the environment by not using so much plastic. You should give it a try if you can. It doesn't hurt, but it does hurt when you use the plastic. So keep that in mind. This is low-key beauty related, but it's not an actual beauty product. So I've been seeing this on Amazon, on TikTok, which is the vanity mirror lights. But these are just the lights, so you put them on whatever mirror that you want. I'm going to film after this video, but I'll put it like around here, me putting these lights actually on my bathroom vanity mirror. So here's the box. It comes with like the instructions. It has like, I guess these are the stickers, like the stickies to put on the back of the lights so that they stick on to your mirror. And then here it comes with the lights. There's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Oh, 14, sorry. There's 14 lights here, and it has like that clear wiring so it's easier to camouflage. You guys will see it on my mirror if it works or not, and if it doesn't end up working, I'll let you guys know in that little portion, which will probably be somewhere around here. You guys, it actually came out pretty bomb, but I did like not measure it well, so it's a little uneven. This side has more lights than this side. They're kind of getting close together as they go along, but not bad for a little DIY project. And let me show you the lighting difference. So I'm gonna flip the camera. So here's the lighting with them turned off. And then here's the lighting with them turned on. So a little bit of a difference. I actually like it. And there is levels, so you can turn it down a little bit. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels. Let me show you. So this is the highest. Oops. This is the highest. Then it goes down a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. And then this is the dimmest. Okay, now I'm gonna get into skin. I've been seeing these micellar water, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, wipes. These are the wipes that I purchased from Amazon, but TikTok inspired. I got 4 of them actually, so I have another 2 packs. I've already started using them and they are really, really gentle. I have sensitive skin. I can't use a makeup wipe and like not get irritated, so that's why I usually the Neutrogena ones are fine, so I'll use them and then I'll immediately wash my face. But I tried these out and like I don't have that irritating feeling. They're very soft, they're very gentle, and they definitely keep you hydrated, which it says hydrating instantly hydrates the skin. So I did see that, so that's awesome. Shout out to them. And they were super cheap on Amazon. Oh, this isn't beauty related. I forgot about this. So this is something that I've actually had for like 6 months now, that I was supposed to put in a video a long time ago and just never got around to doing it. But I've been seeing it on TikTok lately and I was like, wait, I have that, and I got it off Amazon. So it's the Beauty Blender like washing machine. I've never opened it, I've never tried it, so I'm gonna do that for you guys on camera as well. I'll also put another little clip right here to show you guys how it worked, how it turned out. But yeah, these are like, it has like a bunch of different mini appliances that you could use. I mean it doesn't come with all these, but this is like their collection. I just have the washing machine. I saw it on YouTube a while ago and I just got it and I thought I'd try it out, but then never did. So. Okay guys, so I have it here. I put a little bit of water and soap. It does call for AA batteries, so I went ahead and put those in. Here's my dirty blender. This is from Juno. So we're gonna give it a try. Just stick it in there. Close the lid. Will it close? Oh no, hold on. Mine's might be too big. Okay. No! I used this beauty blender while I got ready, so it's already kind of big right now, but hopefully it works. This is the drain for it, so I'm gonna just turn it on. Is it working? My beauty blender is too big. So I'm annoyed because this is the only other blender I have and it's obviously not even really dirty, but I just want to see if it will close in there. This doesn't fit either. All right guys, so the beauty blender is a fail for me. The beauty blender washer machine, sorry. Let me clear. Okay, back to skincare, sorry. I actually ordered 3 of these products off Amazon, but one of them isn't here yet. I just wanted to get this video up for you guys today, so that's why I didn't wait for it. But it is skincare products from The Ordinary. I've been seeing these all over TikTok, okay? And they're really inexpensive, so I decided to give it a try. I did use both of these products today before I applied my makeup. And I mean, before I applied my makeup, my skin was like super hydrated and glowy, and you know, it felt really nice, not too heavy, whatever. But I do like the way my makeup turned out with using these products before. Like, I feel like I have a more of a glowy look instead of like that matte dry look, which I do like matte, but this is like matte without looking dry and ashy. So I enjoy that. But anyways, so I got 2 of their products. One of them is the, excuse me, 100% plant-derived squalane or squalane. Plant-derived squalane. I don't know, guys. I'm not really that great at this, but I did use both of these products in a little clip. So I'm gonna show you guys on the screen now how those applied, but they're just little droplets that they come in. And then I also got the hyaluronic acid. I used the acid first, and then I used the squalane, or however you say it. And yeah, so far so good. I also got a peel, which I'll probably throw in one of like my vlogs or something when I get it and let you guys know how that worked out. But so far so good. I do like The Ordinary. My last few products are all beauty as well, and this is from e.l.f. And e.l.f. has been around forever, okay? I've been purchasing e.l.f. products since, I don't know, 2009, 2010, whenever it like started really surfacing around, you know? And they're super affordable, and there's a few things that I haven't used yet that I saw on TikTok. So I have this package here. I'm gonna actually cover up my address, but just wanted to show you guys how the packaging comes. I thought it was cool because it's like kind of PR inspired. This says "Elfing Amazing." Elfing Amazing. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then it just like opens up. It's a lot of cardboard, but it's okay, I guess. And then these are the products inside. So I'm gonna go through each product. Okay, so the first thing I got that I was super excited about, that I've been wanting to try because I've been seeing all like my favorite makeup girls on TikTok using, is the Putty Eye Primer. And I got the white one. I used it today to cut my crease. And it turned out really, really good. This formula is like thick, but not too thick, and not too thin either. So it blends out perfectly. It's easy to take it out of the container. I don't know, I just think it was super good, and it was super cheap. I forget how much everything was, but I'll have everything linked below. But let me take it out of the container so you guys can actually see what it looks like. So here it is. It's like a little jar. And then you can see that I've already dove into it, but it's just like a pure white, and I love this to really get your eyeshadows to pop, because this yellow on its own with like the gold shimmer or whatever I have on there, it would not have stood out without it. Trust me. Like, trust me. Okay, I also got this, but haven't tried it yet, because I just put a lot of skin or new stuff on my skin today, and I didn't want to like freak my face out. So I did get this, but I haven't tried it yet. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Everybody has been talking about this primer, and I just had to see like if it's worth it. Honestly, I've been not using primers for a while now, so I don't know, I don't know if I'm missing anything or not, but I had to try it out because I've been seeing it everywhere. It's the same formula, I believe, as the eye primer putty. But let me just pull it out here. Or maybe not the same formula, but similar. So it's actually pretty big. It's like this, almost the size of my palm right here. And it's like this nudish pink color, but I guess it just blends out like normal. And here it is. Yeah, I'm excited to try it. Once I do, I'll let you guys know how it goes. But everyone seems to be loving it, so I'm excited to give it a go. Okay, now the last product that I got is something that I did try and I loved. Okay, this is the lip exfoliator from e.l.f. I got it in brown sugar. It smells and tastes amazing. One of the bad things I heard about it was that it was too rough. I mean, for me personally, it wasn't. I use, for like my at-home lip scrubs, I use honey, brown sugar, and like lemon juice or whatever. So when I do that, it's pretty rough. So maybe I'm just used to it being rough, and this was like not rough to me, but I loved it. I'm gonna take it out so you guys can see what it looks like, and it smells so good. I loved it. Okay, so it comes in this container like this. Like, it looks kind of like a lipstick, you know, same type of thing. And then you take it, screw it up. That's how much product comes in there. You can see I've already used it. But yeah, it's really, ooh, it smells so good. Oh my God. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay. But yeah, so that was that, and it was pretty good, I think. You know, my lips are soft. You want to kiss? You want to tell? No, I'm just kidding. But all right, guys, so I also forgot to tell you guys that I got a selfie stick from Amazon that I saw on TikTok as well, and it comes with a remote that's Bluetooth, so it's easy to take your pictures. That's how I've been taking my pictures recently. So yeah, I will show you guys what it looks like and everything, and I'll have a link down below too, but I forgot to mention that during the actual sit down portion. All right, guys, so those are all the products that I purchased from TikTok. No, those are all the purchases that all right, guys, so those are all the products that I've purchased that were inspired by TikTok. If you haven't already followed me on TikTok, go ahead and do that now. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell and like this video and follow your girl on IG, all of that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah. You ran through my mind. It's like I'm on the freeway.